Merry Christmas, everyone! It's a wonderful day to bake cookies.
Look at the stars! Our house is so bright.
Merry Christmas! I have a special gift for you.
Thank you so much, Santa.
Please come in, Santa. We have warm cookies for you.
Ho ho ho! Wow, Superboy! You decorated the house so beautifully.
Oh no! The gifts are falling everywhere!
Help! My sleigh and my reindeer are gone!
Monkey Bandit took them! Monkey Bandit took them! We have to get them back! Magic brush, time to work. Gotcha, Monkey Bandit. Christmas is not for stealing. You must say sorry to Santa right now. Ooh. I'm so sorry, Santa. Please forgive me.
Let's fix this mess and save Christmas! That's it! Slow and steady wins the race.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Christmas is more fun when we help each other.
Best cookies ever. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Bye-bye, Santa. Have a safe trip.
Don't forget to be kind to everyone. Did you like our Christmas adventure? Like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more magic. Merry Christmas and bye-bye!